ay gusto kong humaba pa kasi yung buhay. So, I need to be active. I need to walk. We go biking every month. Every moment that I have with them is cherished.
Welcome to Why Did You, the show where we uncover the powerful stories of Filipinos around the world who rose beyond limits and made a mark through their journey. This is not just about success, it's about the struggles, the sacrifices, the turning points, and the faith that shaped who they are today. Because behind every achievement is a story worth learning from and a journey worth sharing. Get ready to be inspired, to reflect, and to discover the reason behind their journey. This is Why Did You?
Sa buhay natin, may mga laban na hindi natin pinili, pero pinili natin harapin. Ang guest natin ngayon na isang stage 4 lung cancer survivor, single father ng 2 anak, at isang tao na nakahanap ng pag-asa sa simpleng bagay, ang pagbibisikleta. He rides for the Empire State Ride in New York, not just for the challenge, but for hope. He works as a printer at San Francisco, isang ama na patuloy na lumalaban para sa kanyang mga anak. Kwento ng buhay na sa bawat ikot ng gulong ay may dalang pag-asa, tiyahan at pagsubok. This is Why Did You with Arnel Arrieta. Jason Santos, welcome to Why Did You with Arnel Arrieta. Bro, kamusta ka na?
Hi, San. Maganda yung resulta ng scan last week. And
Okay.
yeah,
Kamusta mga bata? How's the weather in Daly City?
we live in perpetual winter here. 50s.
I remember may
yung,
sinabi ka yung mausok yung Daly City. Bakit nga daw ba mausok dyan sa Daly City?
sabay-sabay nagsasayang yung mga Pilipina.
Yes. Yun nga, hindi ko makakalimutan yung sinabi mo. We met, I think it was 2 or 3 years ago, no? Nagpasyal ako dyan sa San Francisco area when I was looking for clients or customers sa ating business. But
Yeah.
thank you very much for giving us the opportunity to know you and to tell your story, bro. Say hi to our viewers and listeners of Why Did You?
Hello to Why Did You followers, my donors sa Empire State Ride that is coming July. And hello everyone.
All right. Okay, I have some few questions here for you to know you more. You know? Jason, bago natin pag-usapan ang pagiging cancer survivor or cancer patient natin, biker and father, sino ba si Jason Santos bilang isang tao?
Simpleng tao, respects everyone, focused, isang tatay sa mga anak ko na hopefully one day they can say, I got the best father. No?
Aha.
Provide everything that they need.
Mhm.
That's ganun lang eh.
After high school, ano nangyari? Saan ka na nagpunta?
Nag-airlink ako. Airlink,
Yun.
yeah, may aircraft maintenance but
So,
hindi
You're becoming a pilot, correct?
aircraft mechanic lang. Hindi kaya yung
Aircraft mechanic.
hindi kaya yung ginaya ni Arvin. Arceo.
Kudos to Arvin, no? Captain
Yeah.
Arvin
Shout out to
Arceo,
Arvin,
no?
captain of Arvin Arceo.
Oo. And then, what happened? Did you finish it? Did you started working there or ano? Ano nangyari?
I did.
Bago ka
I did.
makarating na Amerika.
I did. Nang nakapag-OJT, nakapagtrabaho sa FedEx nung nag-span sa Bagan for a while. Nakapag-Malaysia, but then naligaw ng landas.
Oh.
And then, natuwid. Nung malamang ko yung kinakasama ko at that time, na biglang dumiretso yung buhay. Biglang nagkaroon ng shining line na kailangan mo nang ayusin yung buhay ko. Nung
Okay.
na-conceive yung panganay ko.
Okay.
That changed me.
And what is the name of your eldest son?
Lloyd. Wow.
And then yung pangalawa, how old are they now?
20 si Lloyd. Si Ramses, yung Ram. He's na track beat right now sa Cupertino. He's 16.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Isa ka single father and with two boys.
Yeah.
Paano paano binago ng pagiging ama ang pananaw mo sa buhay?
Sabi ko, I can't do this all
Mm.
my life. So, kailangan ko magbago. Ayokong madatnan ng anak ko. You see it every day sa Pilipinas. I
Yes.
see it at least. You know, pag yung haligi, marupok, walang, yung mga anak na yun, walang kahinatnan. No?
Yes.
So, I
Totoo
don't want
talaga,
that.
no? Yeah, totoo talaga, 'di ba? Yung pundasyon talaga ng tahanan, no?
So, nakita ko rin sa nanay ko eh. Nanay ko is a single mom.
Mhm.
My dad died of cancer in 1986. So, from 86, she raised us all three of us hanggang umalis din ng Amerika. Siya hanggang dito sa Amerika, in-establish na yung buhay namin. Hanggang ngayon, nandito kami.
So kailan kayo nag-move sa US?
August of 2009.
2009.
Yeah.
Oh. Nung dumating ka sa US, kasama mo na yung dalawang bata, correct?
No. Sama ko lang yung panganay. Kasi yung isa, pinanganak October 17 of 2009. So, pinagbubuntis ko
Oh.
sa nanay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I had to go back to meet him for the first time the following year. Yeah.
Yes, it's because I want to know, this is going to be in the archives, no?
Yeah.
When we get old,
We're gonna
when
see
you
if-
watch this, you're going to remember, mga bata, mapanood nila, oh, that's my dad. He got interviewed. That's why I created this. No?
Yeah, thank you.
For purposes of future viewing, you know? So, yeah.
Craving something sweet, savory, and satisfying? Kuya Arnell's cooked sweet pork sausage is your new go-to. Fully cooked, perfectly seasoned, and made with love. Just heat, serve, and enjoy. Available now on Amazon. Taste the tradition.
2010, di ba? Pinabinyagan and everything. Siyempre, bagong dating ako rito, haba ng utang ko at pagkakao dito, di ba? You know that. You know how when we go home, magkano yung ginagagastos, di ba? So, malaki utang nun. 2011 din ako. 2012. So, umuwi ako. Eventually, I found out na may bisyo kaya walang utilities yung bahay.
Oh.
Laging may utang. Lagi lang ng pera. Anong ginawa ko? So, umuwi ako. Surprise. Para makuha ko yung custody ng bata temporarily at least. Kasi kumuna ka ng lawyer, no? So, inalis ko siya sa picture by taking her to a place. So, to treat kung bisyo. And then, started filing the custody case. So,
Okay.
start mo na yung custody battle. I had to go back home several times. So, she showed up twice or thrice sa hearing. I forgot. Pero nung last hearing, mami ko na yung nag-appear sa court. Parang natouch siya sa mami ko. So, pumirma na siya ng I'm giving my kids.
Okay.
And, maganda yung future sa mga bata.
That's good. So, ngayon, bumalik ka ng Amerika, and what kind of jobs did you do nung bumalik ka na kasama mo na yung dalawang bata?
Pagdating ko dito, trabaho ko sa FedEx office kasi malapit lang, one bus ride away. I couldn't afford a car. Trabaho ko sa FedEx for 7.5 years. Nakilala ko through biking, mountain bike. Nagtatrabaho sa airport, printing in shop ng airport, basically ng SFO. So, binayar nila, napasok ako doon. And that's been a real big blessing.
Okay.
And I've been working sa airport na almost 9 years na.
Oh, that's very good, no? Nakita mo nga, di ba, sa dami ng mga pagsubok na dinaanan mo, talagang darating din talagang magandang umaga di ba? Na magbibigay sa'yo ng hope. No?
Yes, definitely.
Then, before I go to my next question, alam ko at nakita ko na your father, he was also a victim of this cancer. Ilang taon siya nung nawala siya?
38 or 39.
Oh, may so young.
Wow.
He's so young.
1986, he was born 1947, so 39. Wow, hindi pa nga na inabot yung birthday niya, eh.
Mm.
Magta-39.
Mhm. Because, my next question is related to that. Oh. Nung nalaman mo na may cancer ka or lung cancer, ano yung unang pumasok sa isip mo
Mga bata.
bilang yun nga, bilang isang ama, yung mga bata, ano? And
Yeah.
paano mo nalaman? Meron ba siyang mga symptoms? Went to the doctor and have like an annual check? How did you discover it?
So, inubo ko. Nag-quit ako ng smoking. Eh, inubo pa rin ako ng ibo.
Oh, you used to smoke.
Right?
Huh?
So, hanggang sa, I think it was CT scan, na makita yung lymph nodes. Yun. Tapos, yun nga, eventually, na-find out na cancer. So,
Mga anong year to, Jason?
21. January of 21.
2021. COVID.
Yeah, so, yeah.
COVID era.
So, yeah. It's going the peak of COVID.
So,
Wala
anong-
pang ano nun.
anong-
Wala pang immune injection nun.
Vaccine, no?
Vaccine na.
So, ano nangyari? So, treatment ang ginawa. Paano yung mga bata? Paano yung trabaho? Paano yung mother mo?
Oh. So, I mean, yung sa mga bata, nung treatment ako nag-radiation, chemotherapy. After nung second dose, kasi I have 30 rounds of radiation, 3 rounds of chemo. Nung second round of chemo, parang binibigyan ako every after 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, ano? Mahina na ako. So, kasi ba, di ba, ano pa lang noon, yung homeschooling pa lang na, pinadala ko sa kapatid ko sa Stockton. Kasi ayoko nilang makita na nanihina na ako. Because it was
Okay.
really bad.
Aha.
Really bad. Throwing up and all those.
So, who's taking you sa mga treatment mo?
Ako, nagda-drive ako all the way. Pero lang yung chemo. My
Ah.
ex-fiancé has to pick me up. Hindi, pag chemo kasi you really need someone to pick you up. They won't let you go.
Okay. Someone was there to support you and help you during your
Yeah.
treatment, no? And that's a good thing. Kailangan talaga natin ng prayers, support,
Yeah.
actual support at that time because
Yeah.
emotionally you are drained, no? Spiritually and morally, and iniisip mo yung mga bata. Siyempre.
Yeah.
Anong sabi nila when you are having those
Ah.
treatment?
When I broke the news,
Hmm.
yung panganay ko parang in his autistic mind. What? Tapos yung bunso ko, ay pinasok ko sa kwarto, umiiyak. But, they were very strong din. Parang, I never showed weakness after that.
Yes. No. Yung mother ko, just want to share this. She was also a cancer survivor for a longer time now, breast cancer. And nakita ko yung pain and hardship kung paano pahirapan yung katawan natin ng sakit na yan. Hopefully
Yeah.
talaga in the future, God's will, meron na ma-discover na treatment or gamot talaga dito sa sakit na to. And she survived. And until now, she's healthy. No?
Good.
I am
Thank
so
God.
thankful to the Lord about that. And mahirap talaga. There was an instance when sabi ko nga sa kanya, kasi nawala na yung buhok niya. No? Sabi ko, papakalbo ko para sa iyo, para to
Parehas tayo.
support you sa bagay na gano'n. No? Sabi niya, no, basta nandito ka lang. Hawak ko yung kamay niya. Ayun. Pagkatapos siya ng chemo, she was throwing up. Talagang mahinang-mahina yung katawan. Her skin color change. No? And pero kung meron kang faith, meron kang pag-asa.
Yeah.
Dahil malalampasan mo 'to. Lalo na may suporta ng pamilya, financially and morally, nandiyan naman ang mga kaibigan din, no? And sa Philippines pa is you have to pay for your own chemotherapy medicine,
Yes.
no?
Everything, right?
That's why it's so difficult. Isa sa pinakamalaking problema ng pamilya pag may karamdaman is yung
Yeah.
financial, especially sa Philippines. And we are so blessed dito sa Amerika na we have our insurance. Of course, you have to pay for it. But ang treatment is very active. No? Sa mga araw
Very
na
true.
mahirap ang katawan or health mo, of course, yung chemo, ano yung nagbibigay sa ng lakas para patuloy ka na bumangon para sa mga anak mo, Jason?
Gusto kong umaba pa kasi yung buhay. So, I need to be active. I need to walk. That's why nagda-drive pa ako noon. Nagulat yung mga radiation tech. Bakit nagda-drive pa ako the last 2 days? Wala, bihira na raw yun. And immediately after chemo, nagbabike ako.
Okay. So that's where you
So,
started riding your bike.
I've been biking, pero I was a mountain biker. But after
Okay.
treatment, hindi ko na kinaya. Iba na eh. Iba na yun.
Darating tayo dyan. Okay, darating tayo
Yeah.
dyan sa pagbabike na yan kasi very interested ako dyan eh. No? How biking gave you hope. No? So, as a father, ano yung mga simpleng moments na kasama mo yung mga anak mo na talagang pinapalagahan mo ngayon? Especially na maliliit pa sila nun eh. Was there an incident na hindi mo makalimutan na kasama mo yung dalawang bata?
It's all the time. All the time. Kasi, kaya nga ako single. Kasi, dahil sa kanila eh. Diba? So, nung makalabas ako ng, mawala yung side effects ng gamot ko last year, we went to Mexico. Tapos we go biking every month. We went to the Philippines last month. So, every moment that I have with them is cherished.
Correct.
Yeah.
Alam mo,
Dinner time. Even dinner time.
Simple dinner, simple talks. You see them
Yeah.
every day. Magkwentuhan lang kayo sa harap ng lamesa, di ba?
Yeah.
You don't need to spend a lot of money, but of course, you try to go places. But yung constant communication, yung
Yeah.
constant moments with them, I'm
Yeah.
sure you cherish and they cherish it too.
Yeah.
No. How
Hopefully.
about si mommy? How about your mother? How she's been taking this nung nalaman na may cancer ka?
Ay, iyak na iyak, syempre. Am I gonna lose another one's cancer? Parang ganun. But again, I never showed weakness sa bahay. I mean, sa ex-fiancé ko, I would. Pero paglabas ko ng kwarto, I'm back to my old self.
Paano binago ng cancer yung pananaw mo sa oras, sa buhay, at sa mga bagay na talagang mahalaga sa'yo?
Malaki. That's why I keep on fighting. So I got diagnosed and the doctor wrote the news that I had cancer. It was a Friday. I cried Friday. I was up and about on Saturday na I'm ready to fight. You know? Kasi nasa isip ko paano yung dalawang bata.
Okay.
During that time, the conservatorship was still on the table. Marami pang dapat gawin asigasuhin as a father para sa kanila.
Correct.
Wala na nga silang nanay, mawawala pa sila ng papa. No, that's not gonna happen if I can help it.
Jason, no? Yung sinabi mo na yun na nawalan na sila ng nanay, mawawalan pa ba sila ng tatay? Diba parang, paano na sila?
I know.
Let's face the truth. Stage 4 hindi yun biro. But I'm so happy, I'm so glad to see you magkausap tayo ngayon. Dahil bihira ang nakaka-survive talaga doon sa stage na yun. And I wanted to tell you this, Jason. When we met, I believe that was 2023. Nakita tayo sa Daly City for a quick talk, chat, no? Dahil gusto ko lang makita kita. Dahil matagal tayo din nakita. The moment you told me na meron kang cancer and it was stage 4, I am a little bit aware about the disease or the sickness dahil nga meron naman konting background ng health, no? I wanted to let you know, Jason, that at that instance, you gave me hope.
Really?
Isa ka sa, yeah, I wanted to tell you that you became an inspiration to me. Dahil matibay ka. Sabi mo nga ngayon, Friday nalaman mo, Sabado lalaban na ako pagkatapos mong umiyak. Diba? Gusto ko malaman mo yon dahil ako, nagpunta ako sa San Francisco, sa West Coast, to promote the business, the product na I'm so excited. No? Nag-iisip ako na, naku, paano ko ba po-promote to? Paano ko pakikilala itong product na to? Paano gagawin kong pagbebenta rito? Then, nung narinig ko yung sinabi mo, parang, bali wala itong iniisip kong mga issues na to. This is a minuscule of what you have. No? Parang, eto, yung tao na to, ang laban niya na buhay. Ako, ang laban ko lang, business or yung product. Kaya, I wanted to let you know, you are an inspiration. Sa tibay mo, sa courage mo, sa bawat umaga na bumabangon ka, na punong-puno ng pag-asa papunta ron sa chemotherapy treatment mo, at sa pag-aalaga mo sa mga anak mo. I just wanted to let you know, Jason, you are an inspiration to me.
Get your crunch on with Kuya Arnel's pork chicharrones. Crispy, airy, and exploding with flavor. This is the real deal snack you didn't know you needed. Grab yours on Amazon today.
Let's go to this other topic na gusto mo to. Mahilig kang magbike at sumasali ka sa Empire State Ride sa New York. And I am so proud to be a part of it. Yung when you started
Thank you
ng
for being
una.
responsible.
Oh, it's my honor and it's my pleasure and I really want to be a part of it. Even like a little thing that I could do, no, sa mga cancer survivor and bikers na ma-promote itong Empire State Ride in New York. Bakit biking? Pwedeng kayaking, pwedeng weightlifting. Anong nararamdaman mo kapag nasa bike ka?
Freedom. Iba eh. Kasi I've been, kanina lang may kausap akong Amerikano puti eh. So, ganun din sinabi ko. Sabi ko, yung, when you feel that wind against your face, but you're pedaling, ang sarap eh. It's hard to explain. But freedom. That's how I meditate. I don't go to bars. I don't go shopping, whatever. Bike talaga sa akin. Ever since. Biking has been my go-to. Kahit nung bata pa tayo, I would go from my house to the CCP complex.
Malayo yun,
Yeah.
Talaga, no? Isipin mo, di ba? Kaya ako ay, I am happy na nagkaroon ka ng outlet na nagkaroon ka ng, I wanna say na physically, kasama mo siya.
Goal
during
sa
the
goal.
treatment.
Yeah. Yeah. Kasi biking is a goal too, di ba? Tulad nung nag-therapy, nag-treatment pa ako. Siyempre, mahina. Nagkaroon pa ako ng muscle loss at that time eh. So, it's a challenge for me going up that hill, timing myself, yung mga ganun ba? Yung speed mo na, yung average speed mo, everything is a challenge to me. Para I need to be better than my other ride compared to I have to be better today than my previous ride. Parang ganun.
Quick question lang to Favorite bike na nagkaroon ka?
Favorite bike?
Ah.
Ito
What
eh.
year, what model, what make?
Uh,
Sigurado ko ang
Specialized.
mahal niyan. Sigurado ko ang mahal niyan.
no. Specialized Clio.
Aha.
She's a pedal assist bike.
Aha.
2021, the same as my concept.
Mhm.
Kasi ito yung bike ko na first Empire State Ride ko when I did 560 miles, ano?
Wow, 560 miles pala yun, no?
Yeah, yung pangalawa may bonus round pa nga eh. Pero ito kasi yung let's go hop on it. I need to hop on it every day to be better to reach my goal para maging prepared ako for the 560 miles. Diba?
So how do you
Yeah,
how do you
ito.
prepare yung Empire State Ride? Anong ginawa mong training? What kind of program did you do?
So yung first Empire State Ride, I went to the gym.
Okay,
And-
sorry. Anong month pala ginagawa yung Empire State Ride? And then how did you prepare?
So July ang Empire State Ride.
Oh, July summer.
Yeah, compared syempre sa East Coast, meron kami, although we live in Perth, 1250 degrees.
Okay.
Nakakapag-bike kami every time.
Alright.
And pag hindi lang umuulan. Pero so, I would ride as much as I can.
Alright.
Right? That's for the first ride. And first 2 times. This time is different.
Mhm.
The reason it's different is, I don't know, yung last year was my health was up and down. Right?
Aha.
There was a time na nung bagong taon, before mag-New Year, nagkaroon ako I had to go to the hospital kasi nga nag-short na sugat ako. And that took a toll on me. Matagal ako nakabawi.
Mhm.
But, what I did was I bought a cheaper bike of a marketplace and I put it on a trainer. And that's what I've been doing to get back on track.
Mhm. Mhm.
So hopefully this plan would work. Kasi wala na akong training partner eh. Training partner ko lumipat.
Also, you need to have a training partner. Tama
Oo,
ka
iba
naman,
pa rin
para
eh.
magkasama ka.
Yeah.
Oo.
Kakwentuhan.
So yung question ko kanina, kung July ang race, how early do you prepare? Like January pa lang, nag-practice ka na?
No. The first ngayon, January na ako pag-start. Pero the first ones, kasi nga, kumbaga, I need to learn a lot of stuff going from mountain bike to road bike. I started way early. As soon as I found out, mag-training na ako.
Mhm.
As soon as I found out the Empire State Ride, mag-training na ako.
And the Empire State Ride is a good group or good experience. How long have they been doing this?
2024 was the 10th year. So,
Oh, matagal na rin pala
12.
siya.
So 12 years na.
Mm.
Yeah.
And how
Yeah,
many
they-
people are joining this project?
They
or
cut
this
off at
ride?
300. They cut off at 300.
300.
Yeah.
And in 520 miles, how many days do you have to bike that? Saan kayo
7
nag-start?
miles.
Please,
7 days.
tell us the details. How do you start?
So, first day, for yung Saturday, magka-camp na kami sa Staten Island.
Oh,
And then
Staten
go
Island,
certain
New York.
stops.
Okay.
Yeah. And then all the way to Buffalo to Niagara Falls ang finish na.
Ang layo nun.
Pero ang ganda ng,
Yeah,
ganda ng view.
It's 520 miles,
Ganda.
pero saan ang mga daan nun? I'm sure yung scenic views, ano? And then, so 300. And how many days again? I'm sorry?
7 days. So
7
the
days. So
first-
where do you guys camp? Like, you stay there overnight, no?
Iba-iba eh. Iba-iba eh.
Ay, iba-iba.
Yeah, I forgot the stops, pero we usually stop at yung campsite namin usually is a middle school. The van yung may grounds and everything.
Yeah,
it's-
that's
it's
a good,
really nice.
that's a good thing. Ako, marami talaga mag-join dyan, no? It's like, a marathon like New York Marathon, no? But this
Yeah.
time, the bike, and it's a 7-day experience. So,
7-day fully
uh,
supported ride.
mhm.
Pagdating mo sa camp, the tents are all set up, may pagkain mo.
Okay, hindi ko na tatanungin kung magkano mag-join. I know it's expensive, and but it's a good cost, you know.
Oh,
And
it funds Roswell Park.
uh,
So basically one of the treatments that I received last year,
mhm,
came from Roswell Park. Yung research nila
mhm.
about regaining brain tumors, shinare nila sa UCSF, and that's what UCSF did to me last year. Remember yung picture ko na may Yeah, that was it.
Mhm. So how many times you joined the Empire State Ride already?
This will be my third time.
This year, your third time.
Yeah.
Okay, kaya naman. Good luck. Hope you enjoy your summer ride, your Empire
Yeah,
State Ride
thank
this
you.
summer. And kaya mo naman yan. Sabi nga nila repeat business na naman to. No?
It's different this time. It's different,
Oh,
I'm telling you. Kasi nga
why?
yung
Why?
it's yung a lot of factors are weighing you down.
Okay.
So tulad ng, health-wise, hindi ganun katulad ng nasa Yeah.
Mhm.
So I'm hoping to get more saddle time between now
Mhm.
and July.
Alright, God bless you on your training at kaya mo naman yan.
Classic never tasted this good. Habit Pork Cracklings delivers that old school crunch with modern flavor. No fluff, just crispy, protein-packed perfection. Hit it up on Amazon and stock up now.
When you are in a long ride, pagod ka na, masakit na yung katawan mo, pero tuloy pa rin yung padjak, no? Ano sinasabi mo sa sarili mo para magpatuloy ka?
One pedal stroke, one more day, parang ganun eh.
So,
It's like, what if this one pedal stroke gives me one more day to live? What if?
mm.
Something like that. It's challenge too.
Saw some pictures with your children when you're biking. Anong nararamdaman mo kasama mo sila nagbabike na? 3 na kayo.
So proud na, una ano lang eh, bawal sila sa gadgets, sa screens, and all those stuff. Pero actually, nag-enjoy na. Kaso nga lang, they're requesting food every time after.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's the moment that you were together. Doesn't matter where you are or what you do. It's
Yeah.
the moment. But ito, ang kagandahan nito is kasama mo pa yung mga anak mo na nagbabike or parehas kayo ng likes or interest.
Yeah.
Diba? Makasama mo sila. So, I'm sure you're so happy. And
Yes,
them too. They're happy
definitely.
to spend time with you. Both of you guys.
Definitely. Yeah.
So, you work at the airport or the printing company or the printing employee. Habang meron kang sakit, habang meron kang may karamdaman ka, paano mo napapanatili ito? Of course, we need to make money. We have to take care of your children. You have to pay for the mortgage or for the house. You have to spend time with your mother or keep in touch with her. You have friends also. How do you do all of this, Jason?
I keep friends at a minimum. Okay? So, that's that. Pero, balancing life, I just work, go to the gym, come back, and have dinner with my kids. That's a usual, normal routine for me, week in and week out. Pero, syempre, saka, ang kagandahan din ng trabaho ko, they're very supportive. Ang ganda ng, being a city employee, maraming perks, di ba?
Oh, it's a city employee means that it's a government,
Yes.
government employee
So,
ka. Oh.
I work at SFO mismo, under the city government of San Francisco.
That's nice.
So,
Very
okay
good.
na yung benefits. Saka yung mga yung maraming support na makukuha from the work, from company.
That's very good, no?
Yes, very good. Kasi minsan yung naubusan ka na ng oras, bibigyan ka ng oras. They have a pot to give out pag merong may sakit.
Oo nga.
Pero sa kagandahan, yung schedule ko, I'm off every other Friday. And that's where I put my treatments, my scans, my doc's appointments on that Friday.
That's good.
So, yeah, that's how I balance.
Jason, yung mga bata, lumalaki na. Anong gusto ni Lloyd, correct?
Yeah.
What does he want
So-
to be? What's his plan?
Lloyd has autism. So, after 22, sabi nga, gusto niya mag-move out. So, yung mga facilities that take care of them, bayaran naman ng gobyerno. So, I'll let him be. I'll let him go kasi that's how they become independent.
Kaya mo ba na mag-move out siya?
They're gonna be moving out at the same time actually. Well, I don't know. We'll cross the bridge when we get there.
Ano pangalan ng bunso?
Ram,
How about Ram? What does he want to be?
biologist now.
Okay.
So,
Because of you.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Nung una, I mean, gusto niya paleontologist, right? So, support. Tapos ngayon, biologist.
Okay,
And then
that's good.
he's
At least-
going to University of California, Santa Cruz,
Okay, that's good.
UCSC. Yeah.
That's what is important. They have a dream, and
Yeah.
we're there to support them.
Crunchy, bold, irresistible. Habit crispy fried chicken skins brings the heat with real chicken and serious flavor. Low carb, high crunch. Snack smarter, snack habit. Find it now on Amazon.
What am I going to expect in the next 5 to 10 years from you, Jason? What's your plan?
Alive. I'm still biking. I'm alive. I don't know if I will have a partner by then, but 5 to 10 years I'll be here. Looking out for retirement. 10,
Okay.
12, 11 years ata, mag-retire na ako. Yeah.
This is just me. Tinanong kita kung anong plano mo, nakita mo. Kasi importante yan eh. This serves as guidelines for us. Oh. When you say it, pwede na mangyari yun.
Yeah.
You
Kasi,
verbally, it's in your vision,
because you want it.
and you said it, and you're going to do it na. Kaya ko sinanong sa'yo. Jason, maraming importanteng tao sa'yo na dumating sa buhay mo at nawala at nag-exist. Meron ka bang tao na gustong pasalamatan at sabihan ng maraming salamat sa'yo sa lahat ng
Mami
mga
ko.
bagay na ginawa mo?
Mami
Please,
ko,
tell her this message. Go ahead.
maraming salamat. Hanggang ngayon, supportahan doon mo pa kami. Sa panaglinis ng bahay kanina. Marumi na 2 bata dito. Kaya yung suporta ng mami ko, ibang klase. Since sumatay daw dito hanggang sa ngayon, sinusuportahan pa rin niya ako. Yeah. Thank
What's
you.
your
Thank you,
message to Lloyd and Ram?
Well, be a good boy. Always think about God. God first. Pray first. Pray in everything you do.
That's it. Jason, thank you very much for doing this for us and for all the viewers and listeners to our podcast. Please, I hate to end this, no, but please give us your message to the people.
Yeah. So, sa mga bagong diagnosed sometimes, I always tell this. Acceptance is your first step towards healing. When you're there, it's always good to fight your battles, kneeling down and praying. And of course, on the saddle of your bike or whatever you want to do. And just keep on fighting on whatever lies ahead of you. Keep on moving forward. Don't take a step back. Lalo na kung bagsak na ka, if you're really down, just keep on pushing forward.
Okay. Jason Santos, thank you very much, bro. Thank you for
Thank
doing this, and maraming tao ang binigyan mo ng pag-asa ngayong gabi na to or sa program natin na to. May you be an inspiration to them, and they use the courage also that you had.
Thank you.
Jason,
Thank you.
maraming salamat. And
Thank you.
Thank you, bro. Thank you.
Thank you.
Saludo ako
Thank
sa'yo.
you. No, thank you.
Alright, God bless you. Okay,
God
this
bless
is Why Did You, and this is Jason Santos. Matapang po, isang Pilipino na lumalaban sa cancer. Labanan po natin yung cancer na yan. Alright, thank you. Okay,
Salamat.
bye-bye. Ang buhay ay hindi nasusukat ng kung gaano kahaba ng panahon, kung hindi kung paano natin pinili na mabuhay. Si Jason Santos ay patunay na kahit may diagnosis, may pagod at may takot, pwede pa ring pumili ng pag-asa. Sa bawat padyak ng bisikleta, may isang ama na patuloy na lumalaban para sa kanyang mga anak. Jason, maraming salamat sa pagbabahagi ng iyong kwento. This is Why Did You with Arnel Arieta, where stories are not just told, they are lived. Thank you very much and see you soon. Bye.